The Baloney Detection Kit is a metaphorical toolkit introduced by Carl Sagan in his book, The Demon-Haunted World. It offers a set of principles and strategies for evaluating the credibility of information, detecting logical fallacies, and distinguishing between valid arguments and deceptive claims. The Baloney Detection Kit is intended to help individuals navigate a world filled with misinformation, pseudoscience, and irrational beliefs. Sagan encourages readers to question the credentials, motives, and reliability of individuals or institutions making extraordinary claims. It's important to consider whether the source of information is credible and trustworthy. Instead of accepting information at face value, Sagan advises considering alternative explanations and viewpoints. This involves being open-minded and seeking out diverse sources of information to gain a more comprehensive understanding of a topic. Sagan emphasizes the importance of verifying evidence and checking sources to ensure accuracy and reliability. It's crucial to scrutinize the quality of evidence supporting a claim and assess whether it is based on empirical data or anecdotal accounts. Skepticism involves maintaining a healthy degree of doubt and critical thinking, but it's essential not to dismiss all claims outright. Sagan encourages readers to strike a balance between skepticism and openness to new ideas, being willing to reconsider beliefs in light of new evidence. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Sagan advises approaching claims that defy established scientific principles or seem too good to be true with skepticism and scrutiny. Finally, Sagan emphasizes the value of the scientific method as a rigorous approach to investigating the natural world. This involves formulating hypotheses, conducting experiments, analyzing data, and subjecting findings to peer review, a process that helps separate fact from fiction. By applying the principles of the Baloney Detection Kit, individuals can become more discerning consumers of information, better equipped to evaluate the credibility of claims and make informed decisions based on evidence and reason.